welcome to my channel. It was supposed to be a nice spring sunshine day, but it didn't really turn out like that. It's very gloomy and cloudy, but that's okay. I will make this work anyway. Right here I have the amazing Yes2 Coconut DIY powder to clay mask, and I'm going to use the coconut water option. There's all these other options, but mine is the coconut water. It's supposed to help clear your skin, and it has also coffee. So coffee is always great. It circulates the blood, gets everything going, and it also kind of acts like collagen, so that's a really good thing too for skin. You always want to keep everything up and lifted. And it also has coconut, which is a moisturizer and helps nourish your skin. So there's so many amazing benefits, and also a lot of natural ingredients. It's 99% natural, and I do have some organic coconut water to put into this in place of regular water. So everything's going to be, for the most part, organic and natural as possible. I'm really excited to try this out. I really want to clear up my skin. I do have clear skin a little bit right now, but I want to keep that going, and clear skin is always my thing. I don't really need any skin soothing or nourishing, really. It already has nourishing from the coconut, so too much nourishing could be probably a bad thing for my skin, and moisture, all these different things doesn't appeal to me. Clear skin one really does. I'm so surprised that the day when I want to do my video, it has to be cloudy. Well, I'm in a tropical mood and I'm in a tropical place. I am not frozen. Anyway, I'm going to open this sucker up and get started with the clay mask and see where it goes from there. Let's just jump into it. Well, I took off all of my makeup so you get to see this. And I also put on a sweater because I'm done being frozen. So much for the tropical vibes. Those went somewhere. I'm still going to make the video, and I'm going to open this up. And this is something else, I think. I'm excited to try it now. They always make products like Fort Knox. Like, I want to get into it. Open this up. And what do we get inside? It's like a grab bag, basically. We get a few things. We get a spoon, a really cute little cup right here. I like that. That's super cute. And your powder, and I swear it's not any kind of substance. It just looks like it. So, yeah, mysterious white substance. Well, so the instruction says that you open the bag and place powder to the line 1, and then fill it to line 2 with the liquid of your choice. I'm using this Vita Coco coconut water. Well, for your body, it's supposed to replenish you and hydrate you, but I want to see what it will do for my face. I don't even know if I got the right water, but it was the only coconut water that I could find. If it's the wrong one, well, shit. We're going to use our little cup here and open up our powder, like so. Is it a... oh, it's a little baggie. This is getting to look so mysterious a little bit at a time, like it's a resealable baggie. I swear it's nothing bad. YouTube, don't do anything wrong to me. Smells like coconut powder, basically. And I think that's good. We'll take some out and add some back. Science. Okay, I think we're good here. It's as good as you're going to get. I'm putting this to the side, and I'm going to add the coconut water. Open this up. It's brand new, so no cooties or anything on your face. It smells interesting. And we're adding it to the line, but it won't even soak in. I added more powder to the mixture because it was super watery, and now I'm stirring it. It wasn't looking like clay at all, and now it's finally looking like clay, which is really nice. And you don't really need a lot of it, you know, like you just need a little bit and it goes a long way. And it smells really nice too. It smells fancy. It's all chunky too, which you kind of want to have. If it's a clay mask, you want it to be well mixed, but it's going to have a chunky texture to it just because it's clay, you know. It's never perfect, so we're stirring it up like so, and you can see that has a good consistency. So I'm going to pull back my hair like so with my handy dandy clips, one right here, and definitely one for my bangs because they get in the way so much. Let's see here. There we go. I'm going to take some of this and just put it in my hand like so. It said to use the spatula like that, but I was never taught to do that. I heard that's like not an ideal method. Super cold, I must say. Probably from the weather out here. The weather chilled the mask. I'm just going to do it like this. It's easier and simple. You can just get a lot more done, so. I think it has scrub in it. I'm not sure. I feel some little granules, so it might be a little bit of a scrub. It said on the package, if you have some redness, you might want to take a break from masking for a few days. So that's a little side note on that. If you're really super red, just take a break. And I can see why. There is some grains in here. I'm using the whole thing. I'm not about wasting. So even if I look like a clay creature or something, or a sculpture, I don't care. I want to actually use all of it. Well, I applied the mask and it approximately stays on for about 10 minutes, but if you want a deeper treatment, you can leave it on for 20 if you dare. I might leave it on for just 10. I'll let you know after. I want to try for the 20-minute time limit. I'll give it a shot. So I'm going to sit back, relax, and probably play with the babies because, you know, it's nice and cool outside for once. And I don't really have that much to do when you look like this. So I was noticing when I was cleaning up, they have a resealable bag, but right here is open. How does that make any sense? Your stuff is not going to stay fresh if you just keep it out in the open and in the air. Maybe put some sort of like plastic lining or something right here so that way you can actually use this as a resealable bag. Otherwise it's basically garbage. I mean, you could keep it for the instructions and all, but otherwise it's not going to do really much for you. Just a little note, little thing that I found. I don't know. The timer's up and I'm going to go wash this stuff off. The instruction says to use a wet cloth and then warm water, but I think a wet cloth will not chisel this off of my face whatsoever. I feel like the guy on Just Go With It, when his face was like freaking frozen and all he could do was like drink and like dribble the water out of his mouth. Like, that's how I feel. It is a true clay mask. I did the 20-minute deep treatment like it recommended if you want to go even deeper.
We going in deep, y'all!
Yes, I did it and it's super great. It actually dries better when it's on longer anyway, so it's awesome. And it's starting to like crackle and peel off. I'm just loving it, and I can't rave about it enough. It is on. This is not coming off. So I'm going to definitely have to like jump in the shower and get this all off somehow. Maybe chisel it off of my face. I don't know. Some sort of magic. But so far, so good. It's clay and it stays. It rhymes, so it must be true. Well, I took off the mask, and what I have to say about it, the mask is fantastic. It does its job. It cleans. It smells great. It's energizing. It's just all around a good, fun product. I love that it's a little DIY sort of project mask, so you and your friends can all have like a spa day at your house. It'll be great for that. Some sort of like fun DIY skincare sort of project. Super, super fun. I really enjoy it. And it's just amazing. And I got so energized I had to bring out my lovely coffee cup. This one is from Cravings. It's by Chrissy Teigen, and you can get these at Target. Only $5. And this is some Starbucks cold brew coffee. Not sponsored, but I love these so much. The coffee and the cup. This cup is amazing. And I like Chrissy Teigen too. She's like awesome on Instagram. I don't know, I just like her a lot. So, cheers to all of you, and I hope all of you have like a great, amazing, wonderful day. I'm energized, and I hope you are too.